Nasibai. Now I'd like to invite Dinesh Desai. He will talk about the national security.
Hello everyone, Namaskar. National security is a core issue of India, so I think we have to address over and over. Har Har Mahadev. During today's Yagna, and today is the most auspicious day for all the Indian citizens and all our global Indian around the world, as we have performed Shiv Mahayagna in America for Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji and BJP's victory. Shiv is Mahadeva, the great God and the great supreme God. May Lord Shiva bless Indian and her security of Indian citizen and bold leader Modi ji. Lord Shiva and Hinduism had great influence and spread throughout the Bharatvarsh and Indian subcontinent and all over Mahabharat times. Hindu civilization fought and resisted external oppression and invasion from Greeks, Islamic enemies and British, and today India is invaded by Italian foreign rulers. After having lots of challenges for our nation and culture, Bharatiya Jansangh was formed by Dr. Shamal Prasad Mukherjee with the inspiration of Maharana Pratap, Shivaji, Swami Vivekanand, Guru Gobind Singh, Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel. Cultural nationalism is the BJP's concept of Indian nationhood. BJP's ideologue and teacher, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay and Dr. Shamal Prasad Mukherjee had thought and presented and implemented about the Dharma-sustained society or integral humanism or nationalism. Today, public service of nationalism, identity, safety, security of India and Indian citizen is carried out and forwarded by our great, most popular, strong and courageous leader, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji. Modi ji and BJP, core issue of the people's security and their identity as a India before everything else. Our leader Modi ji believe in keeping the interest of nation above everything else, and that will ensure the united, secure and powerful India. To BJP and Modi ji, the most important things for the strong and secure India is the robust economy. Indian economy is India's security. Modi ji and BJP's plan for the national security is to make the India rich in the culture, economic, political superpower, identify the India as a super player in the world. BJP first priority and commitment is securing the nation against the well-known enemies and take the step against the terrorists from the cross-border and the homegrown all over the world. The intelligence system will be upgraded by BJP when they come into power. The new improved prototype will be introduced. Nation's coastline will be protected by the naval security. Fencing of the India, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan border will be which was neglected by UP and Congress to make the vote bank politics will be secure and protected by our army. BJP will detain, detect and deport all the illegal immigrants who are major source of homegrown terror. BJP will fix all the holes in security system throughout all borders made by the Congress for the wars. India and BJP will introduce high-tech national identity card for all the citizens of the India. Our government will use diplomacy to isolate the countries engaging in exporting the terror. If the BJP is elected, India will get tougher on the territory dispute with the China and Pakistan and Bangladesh. As per BJP and Modi ji, India needs to cut down its excessive reliance on the foreign arms manufacturer and focus on making the domestic arms made in India with the high technology and equipment that can be used by our military to result. In this result, the India will create lots of jobs and that will help the economy of the India. In our army has lost a faith in the Congress and UPA government. Our soldiers are beheaded by our enemies, Pakistan, and our UPA and Congress government has taken no action at all. Our security personnel lost the moral spirit to protect our nation due to the ignorance of the Sonia Mano UPA government. BJP and Modi Sarkar will give full authority to army to take the action or reply to our enemies. To all army personnel will have one rank and one pension program. Modi's vision to give the highest high-tech training, equipment, technology, weapons, and supply to all our policemen, servicemen, women, paramilitary forces to protect our nation. BJP and Modi ji's agenda and goal is to educate the youth about the cultural nationalism, promote the national security policy, and people to rise above their religion and the regional state. Our bold leader believes in the principle of justice and development for all and appeasement of the none. India's security comes first. Bharatiya Jansangh, leader and servant to the nation, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee gave his life to integrate the Kashmir to the rest of the India. BJP and Modi ji has the same action plan to integrate Kashmir to India, provide the economic help, support, and make the India united, stable, and peaceful nation. Our question to UPA and Congress Sarkar is, what happened to the old Kashmiri Pandit? What did you do for them? BJP wants Kashmiri Pandit to be resettled with the full dignity, safety, and security, and no appeasement to all minority. What happened to the Hindu minority in Pakistan and Bangladesh? I want to ask the UPA Sarkar. What is the security of our minority who live in Pakistan and Bangladesh? What did you do for them? Did you raise any voice for them? Sonia Bukhari can meet and discuss and make sure the votes and support for the Congress are secure is not communal. But when Modi ji and BJP address any rally, any issue, the Hindu is a communal. Why is that? Why all the UPS government is anti-Hindu? Our nation leader Modi ji has sworn in the name of the soil Bharat Mata to protect and secure the India. Today Modi ji and BJP is only the hope for India's security and economic development. India has highest number of young people, and for them future is Modi ji and his leadership. He is real Hindustani and selfless servant of India. He can protect 1.2 billion people if he come to the power. Why our nation and the people giving the security and the Prime Minister powers and offices to the foreigners who doesn't know even our motherland, mother tongue, and the reality of the Hindustani people? Our mission as a global Indian is for Bharat Vikas, voting right and voting security for Indian citizens. no deletion of the names of the voters. Please let our voice be heard in affairs of our country. We are the people of India must promote security council for the United Nations, because we have a large population, second largest than the China. We should have our own Security Council seat in UNO. We need change. We need visionary leader like Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, who can change for the life and hope of the people. We need Modi ji to eliminate corruption, inflation, terrorism, and insecure the border of the country, and for the creation of the employment and high-class education for our children. India wants to be a leader of Indian subcontinent to provide the peace and stability in the region. We NRI and the global Indian, the people of India, want to send a message to the people, to the family who run the PM office as you have heard, the accidental PM news, which was written by Sanjay Baru, that I want to tell Sonia and her family that you are not the queen or the king of the royal India. This dynasty rule, which misguiding the people of India, must end now. This dynasty rule and the power-hungry family had forced out our bold Sardar Patel from the PM post, even though he was elected and he had enough votes, and he was changed to turn him away. And this time, what they are trying to stop to the Modi from the PM post. Thank you. And please bring the Modi as PM and change the central government run by not even Manmohan Singh, even though he is the PM. Dump the Congress, dump the UPA, uproot the dynasty rule, and free and liberate the India from the dynasty rule. We want to educate the poor Indian and internal tribal area and international community that this Gandhi family has no relation with the Mahatma Gandhi. May BJP win 272 plus seats. God bless.